Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas. I know I'm a little late. It is January 5th, but I finally got time to sit down and film this video for you guys. I've been really busy this past week and stuff, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you guys had an awesome New Year's as well. And yeah, so let's get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoy. This item that I got, it is from my mother-in-law, and she got me this little cute plates from Pier 1. I thought they were really pretty, and they have a what is this called? Ooh, I can't remember what the name of the animal is. Ooh, it's a peacock. Oh my god, I had a brain fart. I couldn't remember the name of it. So she got me 4 little plates from Pier 1. I thought they were really cute. This doesn't really go with my decor, but I've been thinking of redoing my dining table, like my dining room. Well, not right now, but potentially by the end of the year I would love to have a new dining set. And the one that I was just looking at today, it has blue, like really deep blue from Sea Gallery. It is this chair that is so beautiful. And I thought, oh my god, that would look really pretty with it. But anyway, so yeah, this is from Evan's mom. Thank you so much, Michelle, for my gift. Ooh, the sun is like beaming on my face. My mom, she got me some slippers. I have a lot of slippers, you guys. But these ones are really cute, and they have sequins where you can play around, move them back and forth. Pretty fun, and they're really comfortable too. I think they're like memory foam inside. So thank you so much, mommy, for my pantuflas. Oh my god, who does not love this kind of chocolate? This is a gift from my mom and her husband. They got me these yummy chocolates, which Evan asked me the other day. He wanted to open them. He's like, do you still have your chocolates? I'm like, yes, you have to wait until I do my video. Then we can eat them together. But yeah, so this is another gift that I got. Chocolates, remember you guys, I told you chocolates are always a great idea. I love this right here. Was a gift card. Well, I have it in my purse. I haven't used it yet, but it's from my sister-in-law Ashley. She gave me a Home Goods card. Well, Home Goods, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx. So that was a pretty cool thing because I get to pick my own present, which I want a new comforter. So whatever she gave us or gave me, it's gonna go towards the comforter that I'm trying to get. So thank you so much, Ashley, for my gift card. This is from my sister-in-law, Gabby. She knows how much I love makeup. So she got me this palette, ooh, which I have not seen yet. And it's this. This is the palette that she got me. So we're gonna open it, oops, and see what we have in here. Ooh, pretty cute. The colors are pretty neutral. Neutral is good. And it has a big mirror, which that's a plus. Are you guys liking my hair today? I'm actually wearing a wig, another wig, you guys. I don't know if you guys are liking it or not, but it's pretty similar to my hair color, just that it has more volume and it's longer. The name of the palette is called High Performance Naturals, right here. And it's just so pretty, you guys. I really like it. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to show you guys another gift. Oh my god. I used to have this, but I don't know what happened to it. It literally disappeared from my makeup collection. I don't know, I must have left it when I did a job where I travel somewhere. I must have left it behind. But this right here is everything. So I'm excited to be trying it. Thank you so much, Gabby, for my gift. She also gave me this Moon Dust by Urban Decay. It is a liquid eyeshadow. So we're gonna open it together. So this is how it looks like. And it looks purple, blue. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, that is really pretty. Thank you, Gabby. Oh my god, she knows how much I love makeup. I think you have to kind of let it dry. I really like it, you guys. It's really shiny. Do you see that? I didn't see my gift guide for her, I'm going to show you guys something that I bought for myself this Christmas. It was kind of like a treat for me. It's 4 lipsticks by MAC. It is from the Snowflake collection. Right now, they have them on sale at Macy's for only $22. This right here, each of the lipsticks retail at $17.50. So pretty much you're getting a super deal. If I find the link, I will put it down below so you guys can look at it. I love the fact that these lipsticks are matte. I talked about them before in my gift guide for her, and I highly recommend it. So if you guys want to grab a set, I will leave the link down below. If I don't find it, it's because they're sold out, guys. But I saw them and I love them. I paid $29 I believe for them, but $22, that's super cheap. Then another set that I bought for myself, which this is sold out, you guys. I know you guys are gonna be mad at me, but it is the MAC lipstick collection. They're like mini lipsticks. They're just so cute, you guys. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear them, but I know I'm gonna have them as a display on my vanity because they look so adorable. And I had to get this. It is sold out everywhere. You guys can try eBay. You might find them on eBay. I know the set will probably go for over 100 because I did see other websites that I link below on the gift guide that were like 110, and then another website that I found, it was 200 for the set. I was like, heck no. You know what, another product that I want to try, I went to the mall the other day and I tried buying it, but it was sold out, was the Patrick Star setting powder. So I'm gonna order that online because everyone's been talking about it. They say it's amazing, so I want to try it for myself and see what I think. But since Patrick Star is pretty dark as myself, I thought it's probably gonna look really good on me too. But well, who knows? I will try and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is a gift that I got for myself just because I really wanted it. But anyways, moving on. I was supposed to do the Victoria's Secret haul today, but one of the bags is in my mom's car, so I couldn't get it. But I will do that probably tomorrow, or if I can't, I will film it today so that you guys can have it on Monday. But if not, then it's this video, which I'm going to be uploading on Monday. This gift right here was from my mom. I thought it was really thoughtful. When I first saw it on the wrapping, it said baby everywhere. So I was like, what is this for? She's like, it's for your baby, for your new baby. So she got me newborn diapers from Pampers. I thought that was really cute. It has 88 diapers. Boy or girl, I'm gonna need this regardless. So I thought that was really nice. So thank you, Mom, for the diapers. Not for me, but for the baby. I appreciate it a lot. The gift that I got was this Victoria's Secret body mist. And also this lotion, which I have not opened it yet. But it says Gold Angel. So let's see how it smells. Smells really nice. She's the cousin that I told you guys that just got a place, her home, and I got her like some home decor stuff. I'm starting to get allergies with the perfume. I also got this cup right here from my mom, which says pray more, worry less. It had like a little thing on the bottom, but when she was giving it to me, I don't know how it happened. It fell on the ground and the bottom thing broke. Which is okay, I don't mind it. I'm happy that nothing happened to the cup. This is from Grandma Giefer, which is my husband's grandma. She sent me this little plate that says cheers. Or cheer. Not cheers. Cheer. And it's so cute. So I'm definitely going to be using this for the holidays. I don't know what you put in here, but I'll figure it out, I'm sure. But anyways, thank you so much, Grandma Giefer. I know you don't watch my videos, but thank you. I also got this body mist with glitter, or shimmer, love spelled, by Victoria's Secret, and also a blush. And this is the salt that I got. It's really nice. It's really heavy, you guys. I don't know how it smells. I haven't opened it, and I'm not going to open it right now. But I'll just put it there. And I also got an eye pillow, which smells like lavender. I can kind of smell it. And I also got a candle. I love candles, you guys. Candles are everything. Did you guys make it to the Bath and Body Works sale? Because I did. If you guys did, let me know in the comments down below what you got. I got a lot of wallflowers refills so that the house smells good. Because I love when the house smells good. But this right here, I'm sure you guys can smell it. It's really cute and little. So I really like it. And it's fresh cut gardenia. You can find this at Home Goods. I've seen it before. But this is like a teeny version. And finally, you guys, I saved the best for last. This was a gift from my husband. Voila! He got me the Gucci Guilty perfume. Ooh. He also got me the Jimmy Choo perfume. But I ended up returning it because he got me the small one. And it was really expensive. And I was like, why didn't you just get the set? Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but I showed you guys the set that I wanted it for $112. So we ended up ordering it online, which is on its way. And he also got me this right here. Guilty by Gucci. Oh my god, this smells so good, you guys. It is so fancy. Ooh, I love it. So this is how it looks like. Ooh, look, it's kind of like a mirror. You guys can see the reflection of my room. It is so cute. I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see it. Ah, and it smells really, really nice. I've been wanting this perfume for the longest, and he got it. I don't know. I was like, oh my god, that's awesome. So this is how it looks like. Ooh, so fancy. Gucci. You know what my husband said? He's like, so what, Leslie? Are you into perfumes now? And I said, hey, he's like, first it was bags, then it was shoes, and now it's perfumes. And I said, you know what? Perfumes are a lot more affordable than my expensive bags and expensive shoes. This year, I didn't get shoes because I'm pregnant, you guys. And honestly, I'm not going to wear Lubies right now. Like the other day, well, last night, I was trying on some shoes, some high heels that I got. I'll show you guys. But anyways, I was like, oh my god, I couldn't even walk. Like, I felt so uncomfortable, and I just took them off because my back started to feel weird, and I just started getting very moody. And I was like, I just can't do high heels right now. When I'm around the house, I'm barefoot. If I go out, I have flats. I'm getting old, you guys. I know, this would never be me back in the day. I think I'm gonna start a collection. Tamara, you did something to me. When I was hanging out with Tamara, she's like, I love this perfume and I love this perfume. And I was like, oh my god, I should start collecting perfumes. So I guess I started a new collection now. Perfumes, a new addiction. Yeah, but I told my husband, hey, it's a lot more affordable. If I find the link to this perfume, I will leave it down below so you guys can purchase it if you guys want to. But yeah, I love it. It smells very sexy. I have like a routine every time I get out of the shower. I have to like dry myself, relax. It's like, it's so nice. I love taking showers, you guys. I take a shower every day. I even wash my hair every day, which is not good. And it's really annoying. Sometimes, that's the reason why I'm wearing a wig, you guys. Because I'm like, you know what? It's so hard to like do my hair and all that. I tried looking for dry shampoos. I went to Lush and I got a sample of their dry shampoo. I'm gonna try it. I mean, today I washed my hair and everything, but I'm gonna try it and hopefully I can start washing my hair every other day. That's the plan because it's really time consuming. I have to be places. I have to take care of kids. And doing my hair every day is really, really hard. So that's why I'm leaning towards wigs, you guys. Let me know what you think of my wig down below. I would love to hear it. I really like it. It's really cute. The black one is fun. The blonde one is cool too. So I got these little boots. Look how cute they are. And I was trying them on. I was like, ah, screw this. And I just threw, like, I was like, I'm done. They're not even high. I got it in gray, but I gave it to my mom and it matches perfectly with this boots right here. So I went online the other day and I ordered the gray one. So hopefully I can get it soon. It's gonna take a little while, probably like a week or two for it to arrive. But I'm gonna be pairing it with these boots, which I really love. They kind of remind me of Valentino. It's like a Valentino inspired. Once I'm back to my regular height, my regular weight, I will definitely buy myself a new pair of Lubies or a really, really nice purse to, you know, for all the struggle being pregnant. It's not easy. And yeah, so that's one of the things that I plan on doing. But for now, I have to save my money and buy the things that are important, like the crib, the double stroller, and all that stuff. And so to the front, I think it's really cute. Did you guys see my eyebrows? Oh, look at how good my eyebrows came out today. My makeup is on point. I love my makeup today, you guys. So pretty. I also did green because my mom says that I always wear very nude and gold and boring colors. She's like, you need to do something different. So I decided to throw in a little green. And this is from the Jaclyn Hill palette. With the bangs, I have to kind of like cut them. That's my real hair. I have to cut my bangs shorter. And maybe so that it looks more natural. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you like my wig. Let me know in the comments down below what you got for Christmas. I would love to hear what you got. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I wish you nothing but the best for 2018. And I will see you guys on my next video. Kisses. Bye. This is super spontaneous, but I just want to show you guys how much I care for you guys and how much I appreciate you guys' support. So I'm going to be giving away this handbag. Isn't it so cute? If you guys want to participate or if you guys want to win this handbag, all you got to do is comment down below what you got for Christmas. That's it. And this is the bag that I'll be giving you guys. I hope you guys like it. I have two of them, so one is for me and one is for you. And it's just so cute. It's really girly. I like it. Ooh. So yeah, we're gonna be twinsies. So comment down below, you guys. I will be announcing the winner on the next, what's it called? Video. It's getting late here, you guys. I've been filming for quite a while.